Hello, Firebirds. I'm Elijah Ford here with
Dan Fankhauser.
bringing you today's GP news from the library. Today is Monday, October 21st, and the weather for today is sunny and current temperature of 64 degrees with a high of 83 degrees.
Today for lunch we're having a beef cheeseburger, seasoned potato wedges, and assorted fruit.
In sports news, you should come out and support our GP volleyball team to victory as they start their playoffs. And the girls play at GP against Norterra Canyon at 4:30. The boys travel to West Wing. Both teams need our support to continue their road to district championships at Boulder Creek on Saturday. Let's go Firebirds.
In other GP news, we have the fall book fair. It starts next Wednesday, October 31st, which is Halloween. Yay. It starts at 7:45 right in the morning and ends at 3:30 p.m.
Why didn't the skeleton cross the road? Because it had no guts.
That's all we have for announcements today.
Have a marvelous Monday.
This is Daniel Fankhauser and Elijah Ford signing off.